Oh my gosh, sure you know that this is strange. You're not just the kind of freak of our nature, it's just ain't natural. So nevertheless, never mind, F off, just got to get off. Never in my life would you see me like you're such a miss, a loss. I never give a toss, but I'm having to say get lost. Do he do it? Do you do it? I'm kinda sure we all somehow knew it was just us. We thought it was me letting off, right off. My lady is my lady, shouldn't have think about it. Yeah, it's broke shit, that's not a hoe. Sick, my wife seen my life's cheat. Now get off while I've got, hurry up and get out. Get off before they kick off, and it's here. Time for the next chapter of the playoffs. See how far we take this game to the flat straight off. Move, slipping and sliding, just ball that rushing gliding. Home run to get a bite, and that's how our life slid. I do it, did I do it? Yeah, boy, home did it. Home did it. Yeah, boy, home did it. I did it, did it. Yeah, boy, home run, boy, having fun. See y'all in the ball court if you want to, son. Superman, superstar, slugging shots, girl, I get the stars. I did do it, did it. I didn't do it, did it. FREAKOFFS, man, boy, how many poles did you have to lick and luck claws? Nah, man, homeboy, you be doing that dirty double dipping. Freak, get off how you wanna share your lovely little maid. Nah, facts, homeboy, your wifey, my G. You meant to beat up and beat off like horse. See, not more, no can't you see? This is not what a man is meant to be. Did he just have to be the DIDDLER? Did he little kid must be can't hit the side boy? I used to be somehow instead of getting up, should've gone and not eating, not beat it, cause y'all couldn't do it. You go back that cool point, your baby's falling out at night, lose that thickness garbage, you left it in the hell of a mess.